Hello everyone, my name is Shravani and I'm from second year IT. Today I'm going to explain how I connected a Telegram chatbot with an API and stored user interactions in Firebase Firestore, and I have did this in the part of capstone project. We'll go through the entire code step by step so you can understand how this works. Let's get started. First, we need to import Firebase admin SDK and initialize it using our service account credentials. This allows our board to interact with the Firestore. Here, we load our key.json file. This file contains our Firebase credentials, like, and we have to initialize this Firebase using admin initialize app. This setup gives us access to Firestore to store user queries. And next, we initialize our Telegram bot using the Node Telegram bot API package. We also define the OMDB API key, which we will use to fetch the movie details. Here, here, if you see in the code, the polling is set to true, which means our bot will continuously check for new messages from the users. And for handling user messages, now let us handle user messages. When a user sends a message, we extract the text, which is the movie name or something, and process it. Here we get the movie name from the message, the user ID, and the chat ID. This will be useful for storing the data in the Firestore. Here you can see the user ID, chat ID, and the movie name given in a function. And next, validating the user input. If before making the API request, we need to ensure that the user actually entered a movie name or not. If they didn't, we will send a error message like please enter a valid movie name, etc. So if the input is empty, the bot replies with a message asking for a valid movie, and it stops the execution. And we construct the API URL with the movie name and send a request. If there is an error in fetching the data, we inform the user. Once we receive this response from the OMDB, we check if the movie exists or not. If it does not exist, we'll notify the user saying the movie not found. Please enter something. Like if the data.response is false, it means the OMDB API couldn't find the movie. In that case, we send an error message. If the movie is found, we'll format a response saying send it back to the user. Like this formats the message movie details using markdown, making it look like nice. See, yes. And finally, we log the user's queries and the response in the file store for the future use. This stores the movie name, user details, and fetched movie information in the file store with a timestamp. And after this, there is one another step, the last step, that is running the bot. So to run the bot, we'll open the terminal and type node space and the file name. Now our bot is live. So let's go to the Telegram and send a movie name or any message to see the result. Okay, now let's open the Telegram bot. Here, let us type a message and see how it replies. Here I typed a movie name called RRR. So I have got the details about the movie name and a director, actor, etc. that have came. And now in the Firebase, see when we have got a file called messages, and here there it shows the response of the Telegram bot API. So in this way, the messages that we send to the Telegram bot are stored in the Firebase Firestore. And now let us check with some more examples. And that's it. We successfully built a Telegram chatbot that fetches the movie details and logs user queries. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you.